Hi everybody, Terry here. Hey, I wanted to share with you, I got a brand new box of fall goodies. I got these products in here for attending our national conference, and I was excited to come online and share them with you today. So let's see what we have here. I'm gonna start with, and these are new fall prints. So this is our medium utility tote. Always one of our favorite items. Medium utility tote, large utility tote. Even the tiny utility tote is a pretty fun one. So this is the medium utility tote in this new fall print. This is deco patchwork. Hopefully you can see that okay. It's got cream, some, I would say jade, brick, some blush in there, copper. Really pretty for fall. So we've got that. And then, who's a big Halloween fan? We have got our little Caddy in the spooky eyes. Let me open this up. These are so fun, just for decoration in your kitchen, in your living room. You can fill these with candy. They're also great for organizing small items you have in your bathroom or your pantry. And it's also great for gift giving. You could fill this with maybe some Bath and Body Works, some coffee cards, make a great teacher appreciation gift. So this is our little Caddy in the spooky eyes. Perfect for Halloween. And then this one is a brand new product. This is, let me grab the wristlet. So the Ruby Mini this season has been discontinued. One of my favorite travel items because you can just grab and go. And like the Ruby Mini, this is gonna hold your hotel key, a lipstick, maybe your reading glasses if you're as old as I am, things like that when you travel, so you can just be grab and go, throw your phone in here, and you're basically hands-free. So I've got the wristlet strap. This is in the Cappuccino Smooth Pebble. So I'm gonna hold this close. See, I waited for you guys to unbox this. Love these wristlet straps. So, just gonna stick this right on here. And there you go. And then on the inside, what the Ruby Mini did not have is this has 3 card slots. So there you go. This is the tapered pouch. And then this one I'm super excited to see because this is also new. Okay, this is the all zipped up crossbody in the black print. You guys, this is super soft. It's got a zipper pouch on the outside. It's got an adjustable strap. Oops. And then you can see on the inside here, it's got another zipper pouch. So pretty roomy. This also has the kind of hidden cell phone pocket. So I like that too. And this strap is totally adjustable. Can you see that? So these are just a few of my fall goodies. What I also wanted to share is everything in this kit that I showed you, the medium utility tote, the little's Caddy, and our little tote here, and the purse, you can get for $31. Through September 16th, 31 is offering this as a mini fall kit. So it's $31. And if you sell $500 in your first 30 days, you can earn the basic seller's kit. And that's a value of, I think, $200. Get $125 in commission. You guys, it's a great time to join. If you've ever thought about it, please reach out and I can share with you how to get this great deal. But in the meantime, I'm loving fall and I'm so excited for you to be here sharing this with me, and reach out if you have any questions. Okay, thanks everyone. $31.